Hi guys, I hope you're good since last video. So this time we are going to see an underrated opportunity for crypto early adopters. So we are going to talk about Grass. So the crypto frontier network utility, innovative crypto project with a focus on technology and community, unique features, integrated web scraping, AI, and robust security. I'm just gonna maybe show you a little bit more about it. So it's selling services through your unused bandwidth, so your internet connection. So this crypto project is getting money from companies to use this unused network, because we're all using our computer at home, different devices, but we don't use the whole bandwidth. So that bandwidth is sold to different companies. So here it says, yes, cutting-edge web scraping tools for data-driven strategies, advanced AI algorithms, enhancing crypto transactions, and unparalleled security measures for safe investments. That's what I took from the website. The value for you for the early access. So at the moment there are many people trying to join. So exclusive opportunity to be at the forefront of crypto revolution, and early adopters gain unique advantages and potential rewards. So there's an exclusive access. So it's not for everyone to access. You can access only using referral links. So simple steps to use the referral links or the code for registration, and it's limited availability and exclusivity. So at the moment we don't know if the process is going to change in the future, but at the moment that's how you can join. You know how it is with the crypto projects. It's better to be at the beginning. They're still in a beta phase. So this is to join as a Creditizens member using this code. So you can pause the video if you want and see the code, but there will be a link in the description. Clicking on the link, you will be directed straight away into the registration page with this code. And after yourself, you will be able also to do the same and yes, help your friend join the network. So first, what you need to do, you need to download the Chrome extension, because that's how it works. It's a Chrome extension. There is a dashboard also, but when you get your extension, you will be able to see it like that, like here on the right side, and your earnings. So they are giving you points at the moment. The utility behind the points is still to be precise, because they're in this early phase, the beginning, but they don't know. They didn't communicate about how it's going to be used, but you'll be able to get rewards with those points, and we don't know if it's going to be also changed into crypto. But at the moment, the points, they just decided to say that it will be the governance for the governance token of the network. So you'll be owner of a part of the network, which is very interesting. When you open the dashboard, that's how you can see your daily earnings, lifetime earnings, and there's a bit more descriptions in how long you've been connected. Also another graphical way to show it, the daily earnings. This I show you just the 3 last days. And here, yeah, they are a victim of their success. I put our success, but yeah, it's their success. But now I'm part of the community, so I think, yeah, I'm part of the success if they succeed. High registration volume and potential wait times, and continuous improvement and bug fixes. So for that, they're using also the Discord community. So there's a community behind it, engage directly with the users, the developers, and you get feedback and assistance, because there's so many people trying to join that at the beginning, to get your account set up, it can be a bit challenging, but following the steps that I just gave you, trying to register, there might be a few minutes before you'll be able to use the application. For me, it took 10 minutes, so it's not instant, because they have many requests, I believe, and people logging in, logging out at the same time. So in terms of infrastructure, it might be very challenging to handle, and that's the Discord. So you find all those links in their website. So for the Discord community, and there are different. You see, there's a referral channel, but you can use other referral links. See, everyone is posting his referral link. So don't miss out on this opportunity. Join before the opportunity passes, because you know when you're part of the early adopters. After that, there are some rules coming. So you start has the barriers to entry. The barrier to entry is very low at the moment. So the barriers are very low. So it's just the right time. It's maybe even too late, because it's been a few months that they're running and people are registering. So you can use the Creditizens referral link to join as a Creditizens member. I know it works, and it's pretty quick. So that's what it guarantees you. So if you get too many trouble by trying to register on your own, try to use this link. Right. So this is the internet access, the URL. So app.getgrass.io, and that's how the web page looks like. Right. So I hope that you liked this video. I'm gonna just stop it here, and it was just a quick video to show you about this opportunity that I don't want you to miss. So we are now a community of 55 subscribers at the Creditizens. So I suggest you to try this. It looks like something amazing, and at the moment all the cryptos are just waking up after this decrease. Now everything is coming back to the bull run. They're predicting 2024 to be a bull run year, so it's better to be on those projects a little bit before, and that's the first time that I actually share a project with you. I'm engaged in different projects, but this one I want you to be part of it. Okay, see you next time.